Welcome back from work. This is Afro Kitchen. So today is Wednesday and I'm here making my Wednesday dinner or preparing dinner for the family. So we have our potatoes cooking and also here I'm frying. So you will see it in a minute what I'm frying for Wednesday. I'm sorry I didn't explain to you guys. In my potatoes I have onion, tomatoes and some carrots. That's what I put, and also I put some salt and a tablespoon of cooking oil. That's how I make my potatoes. So I did not add anything yet. So let it go. So here my dinner, my Nyoya. Add it here. And this one here, added salt. And I'm going to add some royco. This is a spoon. Black pepper. Water spoon. Cube, one of them, one cube, and add cube for the tasty. Cube is for beans. Makes your beans tasty like nyama choma. You know nyama choma? So we add more. This is not enough. I think that's enough. Let us mix it so you can see. Let it boil for like 5 to 10 minutes and take it off just for the ingredients to cook together with my food so that I take it out. Then you cover. I'm going to cut some coriander. So here is our carrot, our green fresh coriander and cabbage. So I'm using this for my cabbage. My pan is on the fire. So here is our cabbage. I'm using these 2 royco cubes to add on our cabbage. Guys, our dinner is here. It's ready. This is called Nyoya or Githeri. That's what we're having for our Wednesday dinner. Cabbage, Nyoya and potatoes. Thank you for watching, liking, subscribing. Enjoy this dinner with me. So, Afro Kitchen, if you are new, my turning subscriber, I just want to say thank you for watching and liking and commenting. See you again tomorrow.